In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the hood bracket that goes to the windshield strapping to hold the windshield down on a Jeep Wrangler. Open the hood, releasing the two levers on the side. Bring the hood bracket down. You can see the two mounting bolts right there. So the mounting nuts are a 7mm socket. I'm going to loosen them both up, then take them right off. Go ahead and grab that bracket and just lift it right up. So now you're going to take your bracket, line it up, then go on the other side and put the mounting screws on. Washer the nut. Just start it by hand gently. Don't try to push that on. I'm going to bring it all the way down snug so the other side's a lot easier. Flat washer the nut. Again. Snug them up by hand. Perfect. Take the 7mm socket and just snug them right up. Just gently bottom them out, quarter turn. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.